Hello, I'm Judy. In terms of supporting young people, I provide supported board and lodgings, which means I have young people who live with me in the house. My role is to help them become more independent. They arrive with me around about the age of 16 and stay for varying lengths of time. So I like working with refugees particularly, and very often they've had a traumatic experience getting here. So I like to make them feel welcome, feel at home, and to assimilate them, help them to assimilate in society, sort out them starting college, and just get them more independent. Okay, so I started being a supported lodgings host in December 2020, and I've supported 9 young people since then. My first young people who lived with me were a mother and baby, a 9-month-old baby and a young mum. And I've had, as I say, 8 more young people since then. I think the biggest thing is I feel like I get to make a difference. And that for me is a real privilege, to be able to have an impact on the kids who want an impact to be made, and they're the ones that I like working with.